Hype weekly time frame. Ingat kayo sa hype. Remember, this is the bottom, this is the top. It's a retracement to the ZEV 0786 level, which is a reversal level. So kung ito yung pump and nag-retrace from top going to 0786, that's a possible reversal to the downside. Provided na magkakaroon tayo ng rejection sa retracement, most likely 0236, 0382, max of 0.5. So what's the retracement? There you go. Super bearish retracement, ito pa lang ang bearish retracement. It means hanggang dito, bearish retracement pa yan. And you can get rejected here. Let's go to the daily. And check bakit ito nag-bounce. Bounce. Look to the left. There. Nakata nyo, pantay. Ito. Ayan. Ito. Yan. See? Ito yung nagpa-bounce sa kanya. Yan. Yan. Ito. Yan. Ito. So, nag-bounce na dyan. Pero, tandaan nyo, 382 is a bearish retracement. And nandiyan din ang malalakas na resistance. Ayan. Yan. So, you have to be careful. Ito din, oh. Ito din. Yung current position niya. Ayan. So, be very careful. Okay? Nasa bearish retracement pa rin tayo, guys. And, kapag nagkaroon nyo ng rejection at hindi ito na-break, head and shoulders pattern yan. Bilisan nyo ang mga mata ninyo. That is a head and shoulders pattern neckline. So, kung hindi mabibreak ang top na to, HNS pa din yan kapag na-reject yan pababa. Okay? Shoulders, head, another shoulder. The only way para yan mag-push paakyat pag nag-break ang top at nag-break ang 0.5, which is $40 and 02 cents.